Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have exercise number 4 for chapter number 18, how to use quick profile to analyze our surfaces in Civil 3D. As you learn in chapter number 7, designing vertical views using profiles, we learned how to create surface profile using alignments and surfaces. We also learned that a profile is a useful tool that enables you to slice through your design and view it from a different perspective. The quick profile command creates temporary profile along the path of a line, an arc or a polyline, a parcel line, and also feature line. So once you have selected the project to represent the path, you are presented with a dialog box that enables you to select any surface, and then you can check the profile for that in your drawing as a profile view. So we will experience this exercise in this video. Let's go to Civil 3D interface. You can download this drawing from description link using a quick profile view. In this exercise, we will use quick profiles to study the interaction between existing ground and proposed ground, which we already created in the previous exercise. If you want to know how can we grade and how can we design finished surfaces, then you can watch my previous video of chapter number 18. And we will also analyze our bound area and the surface between our interior lots. So when you open this drawing, you can see in this drawing we have heavy red polyline in the left viewport across the entire project and the location of bound. So now click to analyze tab, and here you can see quick profile. When you prompt to select an object, select this red line. It will open a quick profile dialog box. Now verify that the box next to select all surface here is unchecked, and then check the box next to EG and FG final. Now select design profile because it is our design surface for FG final and click OK. Now again click OK here, and then click a point here in right viewport. You can see a new profile view shows existing ground in red and proposed ground is black. As we study the profile, we will be able to identify the shape of a road in two locations, here and here also we have road, and we can also look the bound shape here in proposed surface line. Now active your left viewport and select your polyline, and then drag your grips and press escape to clear the selection, and you will see changes here in your profile view also. Now zoom into the interior lots and identify the green feature line behind the 68, 69 and 70 lots. Click quick profile view on the ribbon and then select this green line. Now select here EG and make sure here draw 3D entity should be checked. Click OK. And left viewport here on the empty space, just click. A new profile view is created that show existing ground in red and the profile of the feature line is black. Sorry, these all are showing in same color, but when you will hover your cursor, it will ask for existing surface and it is our existing ground profile. So you can analyze that our existing ground surface is matching our line, and in this quick profile view you can analyze your other surfaces of bound interior lots and rods accordingly. So it's very useful tools in Civil 3D to analyze your surfaces according to any feature line and parcel line, any survey figure also. Hope you like this video. If you are new and want to start Civil 3D from basic to advanced, then